Hello and welcome to NeoEnglish, a quick daily podcast to help you talk about the news in simple English.
Hi everyone, I am Sonia, and I am here with Ryan to explain today's story step by step.
Today we talk about a big news headline: the Pentagon fired the intelligence chief after an assessment about an attack on Iran.
This happened just weeks after the White House criticized a leaked intelligence report that looked at the effect of US strikes on Iran.
Former President Trump said Iran's nuclear sites were completely destroyed and accused the media of trying to make the strike look bad.
Many people were confused because the leaked report did not match what some leaders said in public.
Let us explain the key words first and give easy examples so you can use them in your own conversations.
Word 1, fired. This means someone lost their job or was told to leave work.
Example 1, the manager fired Tom because he was late every day.
Example 2, the company fired the worker after the mistake in the report.
Word 2, intelligence chief. This is the top person in charge of intelligence or secret information for a government team.
Example 1, the intelligence chief reads reports from spies and analysts.
Example 2, if the intelligence chief leaves, the team must find a new leader.
Word 3, assessment. This is a careful judgment or report about what happened.
Example 1, the doctor made an assessment of my health after the test.
Example 2, the teacher gave an assessment of our projects.
Word 4, leaked report. A leak is when private information becomes public without permission.
Example 1, someone leaked the exam answers and many students were upset.
Example 2, a leaked report about the city budget caused a big discussion.
Word 5, rebuke. This means a public criticism or scolding, often from a leader.
Example 1, the coach rebuked the player for not following the plan.
Example 2, the mayor rebuked officials for the slow response to the storm.
Now short background, the Pentagon is the US Department of Defense. They fired the intelligence chief after a report about how US strikes affected Iran became public and caused arguments.
The White House criticized the leak and the report, saying it did not match other public statements about the strikes.
Why does this matter? It shows that reports and public words can be different, and that can cause political problems and a loss of trust.
When leaders disagree with intelligence, they sometimes remove or replace people to show control or to restore confidence.
Let us explain the story another way to make it clearer. Imagine a football team where the trainer says the team won easily, but the statistics show the game was close.
If someone inside the team shares those statistics without permission, the trainer may be angry and change the staff. This is like the leak and the firing.
Now some useful phrases and how to use them in conversation. Phrase 1, weeks after. Use it to show time between events.
Example 1, she left the job weeks after the project ended.
Example 2, the apology came weeks after the mistake.
Phrase 2, accused the media. Use it when someone says the news or journalists did something wrong.
Example 1, he accused the media of spreading false rumors.
Example 2, they accused the media of focusing only on bad news.
Phrase 3, impact on. Use it to talk about the effect something has on people or things.
Example 1, the storm had a big impact on traffic.
Example 2, the new law will have an impact on small businesses.
How to use these words in a sentence about the news. The Pentagon fired the intelligence chief weeks after a leaked report, and the White House publicly rebuked the leak.
Or, people argued about the assessment of the strikes, and the disagreement led to the firing.
Quick check, if you hear the word fired, think lost job. Leaked report means secret information got out, rebuke means public criticism. These simple ideas will help you understand similar news.
Now a short recap of vocabulary, phrases, and the story so you remember everything.
Vocabulary: fired, intelligence chief, assessment, leaked report, rebuke, strike, nuclear sites, accuse, media.
Phrases: weeks after, accused the media, impact on, to leak a report, to be fired.
Story recap using the vocabulary and phrases. The Pentagon fired the intelligence chief weeks after a leaked report about the impact on Iran. The White House rebuked the leak and some leaders accused the media of trying to demean the military strikes on nuclear sites.
This short story shows how an assessment in a leaked report can cause a public rebuke and lead to someone being fired.
Extra tip: practice using one vocabulary word every day. Make 2 sentences like we did, and say them aloud to build confidence.
If you do not want to miss our daily news lessons, you can subscribe it so you get a new episode uploaded daily.
Thanks for listening to NeoEnglish, and see you tomorrow for another short and simple news lesson.
Goodbye and keep practicing your English with real news stories each day.